Guys, Keith of Alaskan Motorhome here. It's March 23rd, my birthday! Woohoo! Currently it's about 22 here, and we're heading up to 40 above, which is like a heat wave. I'm putting some stuff back in the RV, and today I'm going to put my TV back in. So let's go do that. Well, so today I'm going to put my 22-inch 12-volt naxa TV back in. And this thing's a really great TV. It has a built-in DVD player. You can play USB movies off of it. You can hook your computer to it. And it all runs off 12 volt. You can't beat that. So I'm going to put it back up here. Opened up the windows to let some sunshine in. It's nice and warm. My little electric heater says it's currently 67 degrees in here. And it's really warm. The sunshine's makes it even feel warmer. Here's some other electronics that I also brought out to put back in the RV. And you know, different remote controls for the TV, for the lights. I have my easy tire pressure monitoring system. Have my GPS or my navigation, my little Garmin. And then I like to bring walkie-talkies, so when the family goes on bike rides, I always give everybody a walkie-talkie. And these are my waterproof walkie-talkies that go like 35 miles or more. Take those kayaking. And I love this Shark cordless. This thing's great for just spiffing up the RV. And then the little electronics I like to bring, like my little meter, my battery tester, my little digital laser beam thing there. It tells you the temperature. And I have a small little inverter that I bring just in case. But I had taken all that stuff inside for the winter, so bringing it back out. So let's put the TV up. I love this TV mount. It's a Motoride, or Moride, I'm sorry, Moride. But it all folds back and locks in place until you pull the... Of course, I rigged up a little pull. Just put the TV... Okay, so what I did when I just took this out for the winter is I left the bracket on the back of the TV. So that way I can just hook it right back up. And I left all the hardware right there. So let's mount this sucker. Whoops. Alright, there we go. This thing will swing to a lot of different positions. Plus you can angle it down. The farthest you can angle it down is like that though. Just kind of a tilt. But when you're sitting down, that really makes a difference. But when you're driving, you have to put it straight up like this. And then basically, before we start driving, I just kind of, and it it locks in place and it won't move while you're traveling. So that's kind of a neat thing about that mount. And then whenever you stop, you just pull the ring, and then so it's a pretty cool mount. It's a MORride mount. I forget the numbers, but anyways, MORride makes it. Yeah, so there's the TV back in the motorhome. Let's turn it on, see if it works. Hey, it still works. So cool. Ready to go camping. Got it all done on my birthday. Sweet. All right.